Do you need money to get a girlfriend? What's good, Wealth Builders? This your boy DeVaughn back again with another video. And today we're talking about what we talking about. We're talking about, do you need money to get you a girlfriend? So let's go.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay. Do remember, Wealth Builders, subscribe to the channel and click the link in the description and get your free ebook if you haven't already. The Wealthbuilderz 6-figure formula to building wealth online. Okay? So, today we have a different topic on hand, my friends. Do you need money to get a girlfriend? Alright? Alright, I'm going to tell you straight off. In my humble opinion, yes. Yes, you do need money, dinero, cash, wealth, guap, to have a girlfriend, get a girlfriend, keep a girlfriend. If you want a girlfriend, be my girlfriend. Yes, you need money, my friend. You need money. I don't care who you are. You need money, okay? Listen up. Dates cost money. Gifts cost money. Traveling cost money, okay? Like traveling to go see your girlfriend, right? I don't care if you live in the same town. It's gonna cost you money. You got to pay if you don't have a car, you have to pay the Uber fare, you have to pay the bus fare, the Lyft fare, the taxi fare, or somebody gonna drive you over there, you gotta give them some gas money fare. Okay, you gotta put some money out there, man. And when she has an issue in her life and she can't pay a bill or something, she's gonna call you or text you, whatever. You know what I'm saying? She gonna hit you up. And if you don't have money to rescue the situation or can't help at all, she's gonna look at you in a bad light. How's my lighting? Is my lighting good? No, not that kind of light, my G. I'm talking about bad light, metaphorically light. You know what I'm saying? Okay? And I'm not saying you should, cash rules everything around me. Fund her whole life, like just be dropping money on her all day. Like, yo, baby, you need this. Here's $1,000 this week. Here's my rent money, man. You know what I'm saying? It's whatever. Nah, man. We're not talking about that. Right? But when it comes to being there for her, when she's in her time of need, you need to come up with shouting, okay? Because there is never been a woman that didn't ask or imply some type of financial need when I was with them. And I'm pretty sure if you're a grown-ass man, that it's happened to you too, okay? All right, it's just that simple. And honestly, fellas, we need money sometimes too. So let's keep it real, all right? And it could be simple as wanting a Valentine's Day gift or complex that she's behind on a serious bill and needs your help. It doesn't matter, okay? So yes, you need money to have a girlfriend. It's just that simple, okay? And let's be honest, the more money you make, you know what I'm saying, the better you look to the opposite sex. Just that simple, fellas, okay? And please don't twist my words and make it seem like I'm saying money replaces morals and a great personality. But people don't see morals and a great personality, okay? They see what you look like, okay? And before you speak and before you talk to a person, they see what you represent, okay? So when you're financially secure and have a good amount of money in the bank and things are going well for you, or even not even just going well, but everything is just, you're getting money pretty much, no matter what you're doing. Good job, or you got a, you're doing an online business like me, you know what I'm saying? But, and you're getting that money and you secure with your lifestyle, it's easy to be approachable or approach females because of that security, okay? Okay? Money can get you things that looks can't, okay? Money can get you out of a jam your girlfriend or your wife needs it, okay? And the fact that she knows that you are capable to help her when she's in need lets her put more trust in you. And in turn, that trust in you leads to more of the things like, you know what I'm saying? It leads to more of the things you like to do, if you know what I mean, fellas. I'm pretty sure you know what I mean. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Okay? Anyway, man, thanks for watching. I know it's a little bit of a different topic than most of the videos, but hey, it is what it is. I gotta switch it up on y'all sometime. Don't forget to click the link below to get your free ebook, The Wealthbuilderz 6-Figure Formula to Building Wealth Online, sent straight to your email box. It's your boy DeVaughn, signing off for Do You Need Money to Get a Girlfriend? Until next time, Wealth Builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.